Let's learn how you can create YouTube shorts in Canva. So I will show you step by step to full tutorial. First thing you want to do is to open your browser. Now you can go to ChatGPT if you have no ideas. And for example, I typed I wanted to create some quote of the day short, and this is the prompt I made. So I wanted to create quote of the day, but that quote will transition with two images that are matching, and I found one good. So this one, happiness isn't something you find but something you create. Now you want to go to this pexels.com website and just search the exactly what ChatGPT told you. So here I found a person that has lost something, and I will download it. Now for the second part of the short, I have found person who is, as you can see here, dancing or smiling joyfully, and I want to download that picture also. Now you want to go to Canva, go to social media, and you want to just write here YouTube short. Click on this template and it will open us YouTube short template. So for the first picture we want to put this old man. Just want to crop inside the picture, right? I copied the wrong text, so and we can put some animations, for example. Okay, this one looks pretty good. Now we can also put a bit of effect and just scroll it down right here. Happiness isn't something you find. And for second image, we want to put this one, and go to text again, add text box, and copy this, but something you create. So let's just delete this one, and we want to have white again. And now we can put it above. Also go to animation. We can click on Rise. On effects we can go to shadow. Create the offset. And now as you can see, we made some sort of short YouTube video. Of course, this is just for the tutorial. You will probably do something more complex and harder, but as you can see here, it's a really good idea. Of course, you can also put some transition in between these two if you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.